Laptops are essential. They blend into our workspaces, classrooms, and leisure activities. But with daily use comes dust and grime. This buildup isn't just unsightly, it can impact performance. Dust clogs vents, causing overheating. A hot laptop is prone to slowdowns and hardware damage. Regular cleaning ensures your laptop remains in top condition, ready to support you. The BDONIX Laptop Cleaning Kit is your all-in-one solution for a spotless laptop. Whether you're a professional or a student, this kit has got you covered. It includes a specially formulated cleaning fluid and a microfiber cloth for a streak-free finish. Plus, an anti-static brush for those tricky crevices. Keep your laptop pristine with the BDONIX kit. The BDONIX kit keeps your laptop in pristine condition, ensuring it performs at its best. Regular cleaning with the BDONIX kit prevents overheating and noise. A clean screen reduces eye strain and enhances clarity. Hear from our satisfied customers who have experienced the benefits firsthand. Make cleaning a habit for lasting results. Power down and unplug before cleaning. Order the BDONIX kit at bdonix.com.